Hey there, in this quick video I'll show you how to stop your Roku from automatically connecting to a Wi-Fi network. So grab your remote, let's get started. What we'll do is press the home button first, then scroll down to settings. From here we go across to the right hand side, then scroll down this list, scroll a bit further, scroll to the end, System. Then come across to the right hand side, About, and come down this list until you get to Advanced System Settings. Now we go across to the right once more and down to Network Connection Reset. Slide across to the right and press Reset Connection. As it says here, resetting your network connection will erase your wireless network SSID settings, including all saved networks. Your Roku player will automatically restart. So just make sure that you have Wi-Fi passwords available if you wish to reconnect to that network. Once ready, click Reset Connection. To join a network from here, we go down this list to Settings, then across to the right, Network, across to About, and down to Set Up Connection. Across once more to Wireless and hit OK. This will find Wi-Fi networks in your area, click on yours and enter the password. And now you're connected to your Wi-Fi. If the video has been useful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Wish you a great day ahead.